what can you expect in day 25 of your menstrual cycle? Mainly those same symptoms, those same PMS symptoms. You can go back to my previous videos. Again, it's going to be the increased appetite. You're going to have more mood disturbances, maybe more in your feelings. Again, for those of you who have a 28-day cycle, this may be the most severe as far as moods. So yeah, just refer back to those two previous videos, because honestly, the only thing that's changing over the next few days is the progesterone levels are beginning to decrease, because your body knows you're not pregnant. It's like, okay, it's time to get rid of that uterine lining, you know, that nice comfy bed that your body produced for, I guess, to provide a home for that hopeful fertilized egg that you did not get fertilized. Yeah, so your body's getting ready to shed that lining in the next few days, and that is done with the decrease in progesterone. So you can expect those hormones to come down over the next few days. But for today, day 25, just stick through it. Try not to set off any alarms. To the best of your ability, just try and deal with those hard times or those emotions, and try not to cry over spoiled milk, right? So you guys, that's it for day 25. I hope that it's going well for you.